I want to switch gears. I want to go over to the types of deals you're doing, right? So your velocity of money, your cash is coming in pretty quickly. You and I were talking offline. You're not doing, in a sense, traditional wholesaling, and you're also not doing what some know out there as novation. So tell me the types of deals that you're doing and how you're getting these deals done.
Yeah. So, I think in a sense, it's very similar to a novation, but the same idea applies. And that was just that, especially when we started coming into COVID, so many of our cash buyers just dried up for any number of reasons. Either they were scared off or they couldn't get loans, or nobody really knew at that point what the after repair value was going to be. In Pittsburgh, especially, Pennsylvania was one of only 2 states where real estate was deemed non-essential.